In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent microphone access on LinkedIn. If you use LinkedIn on your desktop browser and you want to make sure the site cannot use your microphone, this is a quick setting you can change directly from your browser. It only takes a moment, and it's a useful privacy step if you don't want LinkedIn to request or access your mic while you're using the site. To begin, open LinkedIn on your desktop in your browser. Once the page is loaded, look at the URL bar at the top of the browser window, where the website address appears. On the left side of that URL bar, you should see a settings icon. Depending on the browser you're using, this may look slightly different, but it will usually appear as a small icon near the website address. Go ahead and click on it. After you click that icon, a small menu will appear with options related to the website you're currently visiting. From there, select Site Settings. This will open a page or panel where your browser shows the specific settings and permissions for LinkedIn. Once you're in the site settings area, you'll see several options that control what LinkedIn is allowed to access. These can include permissions like notifications, camera, microphone, and other site-related controls. What you want to focus on here is the microphone setting. Find the microphone permission in the list. When you locate it, change the permission to block. This tells your browser not to allow LinkedIn to use your microphone. If the site had permission before, switching it to block will prevent future access unless you manually change it again later. And that's it. Once the setting is changed, LinkedIn should no longer be able to access your microphone through that browser on your desktop. If you ever need to use microphone features on the site again, you can come back to the same settings area and adjust the permission. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see the change take effect, try refreshing the LinkedIn page after updating the permission. That can help the browser apply the new setting properly. That's all you need to do to prevent microphone access on LinkedIn.